Danger here, and I got the n12 up in here. Told you guys I ordered it. For the people who didn't believe me. See, Magic Yoyo n12 red version. Cut this off. Don't want to cut the pulp off. And just do a little slit. Push the thing open. Pull this out. Damn, how do you even pull this out? Oh, there it is. Oh, damn. That's a pretty dank yo-yo. Let's see what's in here. Okay, some trash. Oh my god, this is really hard, guys. I'll cut it when I'm done opening it. Okay, got it open. I got it. Gotta get this damn thing out of here. This white box. Alright, got this white box right here. Just open that white box up. Okay, this box is actually one. Let's put this thing out. Alright, some more instruction sheet. An A's instruction sheet. Don't even know what that is. Some orange string. Got some mulatto string. And black string. That's weird. I never got it. Another black string. Let me put that. Okay, another black string. A glove. Let's already put that on. See if it fits her right. Ouch. No, you can put it on this one too. This is for not to hurt your finger, and then mine's been hurting my finger all day. Alright, that's a glove right there. I won't. Alright. See what the yo-yo bag. Oh, I just wanted a brand new one of these. I got an old one, but oh, it sucks. Here's a brand new one. Magic Yoyo. Whatever. That's a good yo-yo. I recommend it. I do. Just the yo-yo itself is pretty good. The price is like 17, right? 17 for me. It's like this one was 16. My sister's was 17. But yeah, this part for the unboxing part. And see you guys while I do tricks. Back with the n12, boy. Let's go. Alright, this is what I can do with the n12, which is basically a nice yo-yo. You see that little shark's honor, and it's red, boy, with that matte finish. So this actually retails for like $16.99 or $17, as you can say, if you want. You could retail it as much as you think you could, but then my sister's was 17, which was the weirdest part. And then they're all like the same damn thing. Yeah, that's what the weird part is about this damn video. No one really knows what the really price is. So, what I can actually do with it, not as much because I can't really do anything. Let me see if I can do this. All I can really just do. Can't do as much. So if you were like a beginner after you get out the replay, if you did buy the replay, that's if you did buy it. You could get into this for your unresponsive play. So like if you wanted to learn how to bind, I'll do it right here. You put your finger right in front of the string, wrap it around, and then put it in there, put it in the yo-yo, and change the level of your hand, and move up. If you want to learn the other one, you could swing it, and then put your hand down while it moves. Well, I'll do this in another video, but what I think about it is it's like a 9 out of 10, because it's like literally smooth as hell. Look. That's how I look at it. Okay, that's like the only reason I actually love this yo-yo. Yeah, and this is what I think about this damn thing. But I would recommend it if you're after done with the replay. And now let's move on to the Replay Pro. See you guys tomorrow. But this time, I'm just going to be doing tutorials on how to do some tricks. I'll do around the world, bind, and elevator, you'll see. Alright, thank you guys for watching this n12 review. But what I think about it, you should get it. You should definitely get this damn yo-yo. I'm telling you. You should definitely get it. Let me just end it here. See you guys.